nibasha sinifuna nibe ku-youth league musani ukuguga nibancane the youth league amandla jikithela youth league jikithela youth league jikithela ngiphethe amazwi ababa umsholozi uthe umsholozi mangifika la ngimphambi kwena ngihlebe nani uthi umsholozi unthanda ufa uthi ucela i-2/3 majority uthi manje futhi ufuna i-4/3 majority a total takeover bafowethu bodadewethu and they uma i-MK siniphilele noRamaphosa ngizomzama naye sambeni Ramaphosa. So comrades ngiyezwa la kuthiwa khona abantu bazola imkhize le mbo le ekazola imkhize. Comrades, this mbo is a mbo of the region of the leaders of this organization. Akhozola imkhize la uma ukuthi uthunyozwe lemkhize hamba umtshela ukuthi uzwe lemkhize you are not going to survive. We are not care whether you killed who, you killed where, how many people you killed. We are not scared. We'll defeat Lemkhize, we'll defeat the ANC, we'll defeat Cyrilla, we'll defeat everybody. We are not scared. This is MK. Niyabasaba sabukufa. This MK, we are going to defend it with everything we have. Against Zweli, against who's this one? Who's a chairperson of that one? That one who take mics by force in the Kings. Against Duma, a clown. Against everybody. Even Mbalula. We're not scared of Mbalula. We're not scared of Mbalula tried. We said as the youth league on the 29th we'll have Umsholozi and the logo of MK on the ballot. It has happened when Mbalula was fighting us, when many were questioning us. We are on the ballot. Zuma is on the ballot. MK is on the ballot. We're not scared. Siyaya bo, siyaya.